7. Creating a project. Once you open Rush, it'll take you to the home interface. Here, it provides us with two ways to create a new project. First, we can go to File, New, and Project, or we can click Create a New Project, which we'll do here. Right in this section is where you want to navigate to wherever you have your video files stored. But in my case, I'm just going to go to Sample Media here so I can select a stock video clip. To select whatever I want to add to this project, all I have to do is click on it like so. If I want to add more than one video clip, I can just click on whatever I might want to add. And don't worry, you can always add clips after you create the project. Down here in the bottom left, I want to name my project, and I'll just go ahead and call mine Tutorial. And now I can click Create in the bottom right. And once you create this project, it will automatically save all of your changes in Rush, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. And just like that, you've created your first video editing project in Adobe Premiere Rush. Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.